Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to iTouch App Reviewers. In this video, I have big news for those of you that wanted to get on the iOS 12 beta train. Today, Apple releases the first public beta of iOS 12. So for those of us that are not developers, myself included, we can now enjoy iOS 12 and discover all the new features of it right now for free on your iPhone. So the first step is obviously to go to Apple's beta website and go ahead and sign in and enroll your device and install the profile. So those are the first steps. Once you do that, it'll have a little pop-up saying, restart the phone now or later. So if you go ahead and restart it, then you go back into the settings app, hit general, hit software update, and the iOS 12 public beta 1 will be there. Then just go ahead and install it and enjoy. So I actually just installed it not too long ago. As you can see, this was posted at 2:10 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. So that's 5:10 p.m. my time. But what's really weird about this is earlier today, I actually posted at 2:31 Eastern time, so about 2 or 3 hours before this. I said public beta 1 should be released tomorrow more than likely, possibly today at 4 p.m. Eastern time, but unlikely. So I posted that today, and this guy quoted me and then deleted it, so I don't know what he said. So I replied and I said, what did you want to say to my post? And then this guy at 4:07 said, beta page on Apple's website is down, maybe you're right, LOL. And then all I did was I just quoted him. If I scroll all the way down here and winked at him. So he's going to think I'm some insider probably. But anyways, I thought that was pretty funny. I'm pretty good with my predictions for Apple for betas because I've been in this for so long. I kind of know Apple's release schedule more or less. But this is really cool. So iOS 12, in my opinion, so far even, it's just like a reskinned iOS 11, but with major improvements. Now, I haven't noticed anything from speed-wise, honestly. But what I did notice on the iPhone 10 is it's so nice to just swipe up on your apps instead of having to hold down and wait for the little delete icon and then just swipe them. It takes a little getting used to because it's kind of like going back to your old ways of, swiping up on apps on the older phones, but it's really nice. And I don't know why Apple didn't do this at the beginning because it's just really nice. So that's one of the main things I've noticed, but you can definitely tell it's a beta. There's just little stutters here and there that I'm noticing, but it's nothing game breaking or anything. Like it's a good beta. So far I haven't had any major issues. So definitely check it out, guys, if you are part of this. Now, I have to warn you, it is a beta, so you have to understand if you're putting this on your daily driver, you are taking a risk. I mean, apps might not work, it might crash more, stuff might not work right. So keep that in mind. Don't install it and then whine and moan that it doesn't work because you are signing up for this if you install it. I just want to put that out there. I don't want to see comments like, oh, it crashed my phone. It's a beta. Just know that. You have to be willing to accept those things to enjoy the fun of a beta. So anyways, if you want to get it, you already know, go to Apple's beta website and follow the steps that I mentioned and you'll be set. So far, so good with this one. I'm pretty happy with it and there's some pretty cool features in it. So check it out. If you like videos like this, hit it with a big thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.